Alright, so today we are unboxing this Moana car, the custom 53 Chevy. But yes, this has some resemblance to that movie as well. Stay tuned for that and let's dive into it. So I waited a long time for this car and finally I got my hands on it. Thank you, my anonymous friend, for getting me this beautiful car. See, I'm, what do you say, lover for the old school cars, the vintage cars, these type of cars, okay, hot rods and all. If you're new to the channel, if you don't know that, and while you're at it, do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. And also today we'll be checking out why this art car is very special. Okay, starting with the base. So it has fairly good amount of details. I wouldn't say too good, but fairly good. They've done pretty decent job with this. Coming to the side, we see this HW Tiki Time tempo, the Hot Wheels badging right here, and there's an owl. We have more Tiki tempos at the back. Coming to the rear, we don't have much details, but we have a nice chrome bumper. It looks very nice and it adds a lot to the car. On the other side we have the same tempo, but this car has, I don't know what do you say, the paint has been smudged off a little bit. It's not as clear as on the other side. Coming to the front, we don't have much details, but today I will do the details for the headlamps. And this comes with a transparent hood. Coming to the top of the car, we see more Tiki tempos and we have the letter C on that. I don't know the word or the phrase that this year HW art cars are gonna make, but let's wait and find out. We have the black and white deep dish 8-spoke wheels. That is the WBDD8 type of wheels on this one. They look pretty awesome on this. We have chrome interiors. I hope you're able to see that. If not, it's okay. Yeah, you can see that. See, all right. So we have this plastic hood. The whole car is metal. This base is plastic. It weighs around the same as the usual main lines. Okay, so let's do a roll test. It's pretty quick and doesn't make any rattling noise as such. So the paint on this one is called Sea Foam. The camera might not be able to show you the exact color, but I think thumbnail might do the justice. I'm really hoping to click a better thumbnail. The hood is transparent and you can see the engine. I saw an image on the online, okay, so where they have opened the hood. I'm trying to open the hood, but I don't have a spare, so I'll just get a spare first, then I'll try to open the hood. Okay, and so you might be wondering, what does the Tiki Time have to do with Moana, right? So a little about the Tiki culture. Tiki culture is a style of art, music and entertainment that blends Polynesian, Melanesian and Micronesian influences with American escapism. It is characterized by exotic drinks, tropical decor and a laid-back attitude. So this is basically mentioning, what do you say, something similar to Hawaiian culture. Okay, the term Tiki comes from the Maori word for the first human. All right, the fascination of the South Pacific began in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. So what does Tiki features, right? So Tiki features Tiki carvings, thatched roofs, bamboo decor. So you can see that on this one. See, that is the resemblance here. Even the font, you can see it looks like that. Okay, Hawaiian shirts, hula skirts, pineapple mugs, paper umbrella, tropical music, fruity cocktails and rattan furniture. All right, you can see the livery on this one at the top of the car. It is beautifully done and this is exactly the Tiki culture, and you have seen this Tiki culture in movies like Moana. Okay, that is a very good movie. If you haven't watched it, do watch it. Okay, so yeah, that is about it from this car. And fun fact, or an interesting fact I could say, that this is one of the cars that has a transparent hood. Also, let me know if you like this car, if you like this casting. And so this was another episode of Art Cars, where I tell you why these art cars are really special and they are really amazing, and why one should keep an eye on these cars to collect them. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe this with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, happy life, happy collecting. Do take very good care of yourself. Spend wisely.